Hey, it's Trey with Seymour Artifact Adventures. Walking the creek today. Look at this. Look what I just walked up on. What is this? Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. What the hell? No way. That's crazy.
Yeah, that thing is wild.
Oh my gosh.
It's complete too, isn't it?
Yeah. No.
Almost. God
Yeah, I don't know if it's broke right there, if it was made like that. That is a wicked flake blade.
That's quite a specimen.
Yes, it is. Dang. Well, we'll get back with you later.